How good are neon lights off Temu? This one was $29 and this one was $4. The same lights at Amazon go for $36 and $16. The $4 light I already have hanging up here. You can power it with 3 AA batteries or USB. The cable is a bit too short in my opinion. They also came with a few ways to hang them, like this chain and these sticky hooks. Here are the awesome boxes they came with. The $36 light, I'm gonna make you guys work for. So here's a light before we hang it up. You got the clear acrylic on this one. Damn, that is bright. On the bottom, we have a switch here. We can use this switch to turn down the brightness, turn it up, and also turn it off. Let's get this thing hung up on the wall. Okay, and now the lights are fully set up. I have no idea how to hide this box right here. The wires are hid, but this box is so big, I have no idea what to do. Maybe I'll put like a fake plant over it or something. But here are the lights fully set up. Let me turn off the lights. As you can see, this blue light right here has a bit more of a chill tone, where this green light is really bright. And right now it's on the lowest setting. Let me turn it off. So this light gets super bright. It's actually kind of blinding in real life. So if I do have this up, I'm going to probably turn it down pretty low. In conclusion, these lights are worth the money. I wish they both had longer cables, but it's not the end of the world. If you want some cheap neon lights to spark up your room, Temu is the spot to go. Peace.